Welcome to episode 88 of Learn and Teach American English with Maestro Sersea podcast. We're back and ready to help you learn and teach American English with new weekly episodes every Monday. Today we will learn about opening a bank account in the United States of America. Thank you all for learning American English with us. We're here to support English learners from all over the world improve American English language skills and cultural knowledge. Ready to begin? Okay, let's go.
Topic 02 Finance. Opening a bank account. Setting up checking and savings accounts, direct deposit, and online banking. Section 1. Key vocabulary. Study these 10 words and phrases. They will help you in this situation. 1. Checking account. A bank account used for everyday spending. You can deposit and withdraw money easily. Example: I use my checking account to pay bills and buy groceries each week. 2. Savings account. A bank account designed to save money over time, usually earning some interest. Example: I put $50 from each paycheck into my savings account for emergencies. 3. Direct deposit. A system where your employer sends your paycheck directly to your bank account. Example: setting up direct deposit means I don't have to go to the bank every payday. 4. Routing number. A 9-digit number that identifies your bank, used for direct deposit and online payments. Example: when I set up direct deposit, I gave my employer my routing number and account number. 5. Overdraft. When you spend more money than you have in your account, causing a negative balance. Example: be careful. If you overdraft your account, the bank may charge you a fee of $30 or more. 6. PIN. A secret 4-digit number you enter when using your debit card at a store or ATM. Example: never share your PIN with anyone, even if they say they work at the bank. 7. Statement. A monthly summary showing all the transactions in your account. Example: I checked my bank statement and noticed a charge I did not recognize. 8. Debit card. A card linked to your bank account that lets you pay for things directly from your balance. Example: I used my debit card at the supermarket instead of carrying cash. 9. ITIN. Individual Taxpayer Identification Number. A number issued by the IRS that some banks accept instead of a Social Security number. Example: since I don't have a Social Security number yet, I used my ITIN to open my bank account. 10. Minimum balance. The lowest amount of money you must keep in your account to avoid a fee. Example: this account has no minimum balance. You can open it with just $1. Section 2. Dialogue at the bank. Banker: good afternoon. Welcome to First Community Bank. What can I help you with today? Carlos: good afternoon. I would like to open a checking account, please. Banker: happy to help. Have you banked with us before? Carlos: no, this is my first time. I just arrived in the United States about 2 months ago. Banker: welcome. I'll just need a few documents. Do you have a passport or government ID? Carlos: yes, I have my passport, and I have a letter from my employer showing my address. Banker: perfect. One more thing. Do you have a social security number, or will you be using an ITIN? Carlos: I have an ITIN. Is that acceptable? Banker: absolutely. Many of our customers use ITINs. Now, would you like just a checking account, or would you like to open a savings account too? Carlos: I would like both if possible. What is the minimum deposit? Banker: for our basic checking account, there is no minimum deposit. For savings, we just ask for $25 to open. Carlos: that sounds good. Also, can I set up direct deposit from my job? Banker: yes, of course. I'll give you your routing number and account number today. You can give those to your employer to set it up. Carlos: wonderful. Is there a monthly fee for the account? Banker: there is a $5 monthly fee, but it is waived if you have direct deposit of at least $500 per month. Section 3. Banking Basics for Newcomers. Having a bank account is one of the most important steps when you arrive in the United States. A bank account keeps your money safe and makes it easy to pay bills, receive your paycheck, and build a financial history. There are two main types of accounts. A checking account is for everyday use, paying bills, shopping, and receiving your salary. A savings account is for money you want to keep safe and grow over time. Most banks allow you to open both at the same time. To open an account, you will typically need a government-issued photo ID, proof of your address, and a tax identification number. If you do not yet have a social security number, many banks and credit unions will accept an ITIN, individual taxpayer identification number. After opening your account, you will receive a debit card in the mail within 5 to 10 business days. Your debit card lets you pay for things at stores, online, and at ATMs. Protect your card and never share your PIN. Setting up direct deposit is highly recommended. When you give your employer your routing number and account number, they can send your paycheck directly to your bank. This is faster and safer than receiving a paper check. Most banks also have free mobile apps that let you check your balance, transfer money, and pay bills from your phone. Online banking is convenient. but always make sure you are using a secure internet connection when accessing your account. Be aware of overdraft fees. These happen when you spend more than your balance. Some banks offer overdraft protection, but it is best to check your balance regularly to avoid this problem.
Thank you for listening to our podcast episode today, and we look forward to you joining us again each week for new episodes for learning and teaching American English. This podcast is one of various other podcasts created and published by Ioan Elvis Sersea, also known as Maestro Sersea, a semi-retired American English educator based in California, USA. In addition to publishing numerous American English educational resources, he's also a prolific music producer, with music albums published on all major music streaming services, including Spotify, Apple Music, YouTube, and many more. Look for music by Maestro Sersea, and you won't be disappointed. Check out our comments section below to access his music online. Best wishes, everyone.